Hey again, so let me show you how to add captioning to your Facebook business page videos. Now, these videos have to be done live through your Facebook business page, or you can do them through Zoom and then play them into the business page. They can't be done yet, or I'm not sure if ever, through your personal page, and not yet through IGTV either, but at least we've got your Facebook business page working really well. Let me show you. It's a really quick thing you can do. I'm going to share with you my Facebook pages. So for instance, here we've got Lab Coat Agents. I just typed in Lab Coat Agents. We've got our business page, which has 16,000 likes, and we've got our Facebook group. So not in the group. You see the group here has 107,000 real estate agents. We're looking at the business page, and you see here it says the difference. I'm just letting you know because a lot of people are looking at the group and trying to do it in the group. It's not working. So go to your page, your business page, whatever that would be, and then you click the business page. So as it opens, what we're going to do is scroll down to, let's say, the latest video that you did. And the latest video that we did, I think I left it open just to do this. It's just loading. This we've pinned to the top. You can see that the captioning is right there. That's when we interviewed Ryan Serhant a couple of months ago. Here is a video that I did. No, that's not the one. Good. This is the one. So this one we did with Mike Cuevas about YouTube this week. And so nobody has gone in there and edited the video. And this is how simple it is. Once you find the video that you've done, now you have to wait approximately a minute. Give it a minute after you've actually done it and finished it. So it has to really go through a short process. It could even be 30 seconds, but you go to the top right-hand corner where the three buttons are. You click on those three buttons and you go to edit post. Now, once you edit the post, it sends you to a new screen. Here's where you're editing the actual video itself. You can add tags, you can add or change the title, more to the body. And so you can even change the thumbnails that are being used. You can put in your own custom one, or you can keep the one that's right there. I personally like that one, so I'm going to use it. Now, here's the part you're looking for. You see as you scroll down, it says subtitles and captions. Well, you go to subtitles and captions, and it's going to give you a few choices here. You want to look at captions added and click on the button here. The only choice you have, English auto-generated. As soon as you do, the lower button here lights up and you want to choose the language. Right now, all you have is English, which is fine with me. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Let's see how easy this is. Click save. Go back here, and all of a sudden, I'm going to start seeing some subtitles come through, and here they are. That's how fast it works. That's how easy this is. So go ahead, please try this. And remember, it's only from your business page right now. I don't know if it will change or not, but go ahead and do that. Remember that almost all videos are being watched with sound off. Why? Because when I'm speaking, the very last row is always on Facebook or Instagram, and they can't watch the videos with sound on, or people will know, right? So people are sitting in classes at work watching videos with sound off. And this is why it's important. Over 80% of social media is viewed without sound on. This is your opportunity to connect with more people. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you a lot more tips and tricks on social media.